All right, guys, it's 2024. Our vision boards are full and so are our hearts. We have a massive year in store for you. Plenty of products, plenty of testing, plenty of new cars. Let's get it. We design, manufacture, and do everything right here in Brisbane, which gives us the edge to constantly improve, innovate our R&D, and just push our products to the next level. We'll go back, revisit, redesign, and just push forward constantly. As stainless snorkels grow in popularity, they are quite polarizing. Some people love the noise, some people don't. So to accommodate for both, we have an optional extra for you. It's our snorkel silencer / water diverter. We'll get a baseline without our silencer, and then we'll see how much it cuts down. Let's get into it. All right, so we're sitting at idle now. We are between 90 and 92. It's pretty loud even at idle, and we're trying to get that down to at least 10% is what we're looking for. So we'll do idle and then we'll do free revs and see what we end up with. About 3,000. We have an important announcement to make. Back in the day, back in NAM, we used to do a snorkel silencer, probably about 4 years ago. And we didn't have the equipment or the knowledge at that point to really test them. So we just abandoned them because they just restricted a heap. And although they did reduce the noise, they reduced power too. Fast forward to now, we've reattacked it. We have come up with a water diverter silencer combo. So you don't have to worry about water, you don't have to worry about sound. It's one of those things where you can sort of have best of both worlds. Obviously you will have a slight restriction because it is essentially a muffler for your snorkel, but it is completely negligible. It's still a performance over factory. That's what we're looking at. We will be able to do them for anything over 150 mil long. And there'll be certain models that just it won't work, but for the majority of late model cars, they will work perfectly. I'm on the fence about showing you how they work because there's a lot of people creeping out there trying to steal my ideas, trying to get in my head. I've got tinfoil under here, so none of you can get in my secrets. I'll give you a basic rundown on how they work. We've got our normal size pipe through here. Then we run a smaller pipe in the middle with a bit of muffler packing, and we have a secret source of muffler packing. We've tried different materials, different thicknesses, different pressures. We pack them light, pack them hard. We went through so many different variations to get to this. And we've kept it pretty quiet up until now, but after a bunch of testing, we're ready to release. So as my missus hates it. I can get a new missus in. Told ya. Not just a pretty face, eh? So, we went from, what's that? We went from 92 on average on idle to 81 on idle and 90 or 89 on full throttle. So as you can see, we dropped it 10 to 12 decibels. You keep your girlfriend happy. You still got a bit of noise and they look great. What more could you want?